Hey, so I was just loading up this new dishwasher and thought I'd do a quick overview and review so far of what I'm liking about it and if there's anything that I don't like. So this is a 2019 Samsung in black stainless steel, fingerproof resistant as they call it. Model number DW80R7060UG. It's rated at 42 decibels, so a quiet dishwasher, and it is definitely quiet. This is my second Samsung. The other one was rated at 48, I think. Another StormWash, and it was quiet, really quiet, and this one's even quieter, to the point where the air blowing through the air conditioner vents are louder or on par with how loud the dishwasher itself is. The loudest part is when the door kicks open during the drying cycle. So at the end of the run, it kicks the door open for the last 5 minutes to help cool things down and dry things off inside. That's loud, as is the chime, but I can actually adjust that, and I actually have it set to the highest level so that I can hear it, because otherwise you wouldn't know that it's done. Actually, you would. There's actually 3 LEDs here underneath the hand plate that when all 3 are lit up, it's done. The door will be open, so you'll know that it's ready to empty. Anyways, it's 3 rows, StormWash in the back left. The tines can fold down. It does come with a cutlery tray for the bottom row. I've taken it out because this model also has this 3rd row up top that allows me to put cutlery up here, and it's been doing a good job of cleaning those, so I'm going to stick with that and take out the bottom cutlery tray. Middle rack for my glassware and cupware. I can resize the tines, I can raise and lower it. It's on ball bearings. Basically, I'm very pleased with it. Does a good job. I'm going to start it now. And yes, the normal runs for 2.5 hours, but who needs dishes fast anyways? If you want, the 60 minutes really is 60 minutes, so that'll go faster. All right, here we go. It's going to start, and then I'll come back. I'll edit this video so that you can get an actual, during its run, set of information. So it is starting now. And you can see the light here. And yeah, it's not very loud, is it? My fishies are louder. Anyways, I'll come back later when it's in the midst of the cycle to show you some of the louder parts. Hey, I'm back. I just finished doing some chores about 30 minutes later since I started the dishwasher. And yeah, it's running. This is probably one of the louder runs that I've heard. It's not very loud. The fridge is running too, and it's standing right beside me. Counterpoint, I'm going to turn on the faucet to low. By no means loud at any point in time. Hope that helps you. If you're interested, have any questions, drop me a note. I try to answer them when they come in, if I know the answer.